I want to talk about windy pops today. Windy pops, farts, flatulence, body burps. It's all the same thing, but it's really to do with how your digestive system is functioning. Now, the digestive system is one of the most important systems in your body because the gut is at the root of everything. Even 70% of your immune system is in your gut. So when it's not working properly, you're going to have issues. Now, the digestive system is one of my specialities, and it's something that people ask me a lot of questions about. People that are diagnosed with IBS, people that have bacterial infections, viruses, they are constipated, they get diarrhea, all these different things, and wind is one of them. I like to do a lot of digestive tests, which are stool tests, that show me actually what the microbiome is doing. So whether you have low digestive enzymes, whether there's inflammation in the gut, whether there is dysbiosis, which is an imbalance of good and bad bacteria, whether there's yeast. It can tell me a lot, and then it can target my protocol. Now, charcoal is great for reducing wind, and it can help neutralize any toxins that are in the gut. So if I'm doing a gut healing protocol, sometimes I like to incorporate charcoal. So I just like to use them as natural ingredients. Now, I found this great brand just for tummies that do charcoal capsules. And what I've done, if I can get them out, is taken out the charcoal, put it in a cup. Oh, it comes out. Oh, that's got 2 bits on it. And you can make a black latte using Root Health coconut milk because it is by far the best milk on the market. It's made with water, rice, coconut butter and sea salt. Now, it's got that rice, so if you do have sort of gut imbalance or you've got a yeast overgrowth, I don't recommend having it all the time because obviously the rice is carbohydrates and carbohydrates can feed this imbalance and this yeast. But as a treat, you can have this. Now, I've just been warming this up on the stove, and all you do, you've got your powder in there, they're the capsules, and you just pour in a bit, stir it around to make a paste. And then add the rest. And that is how you make a nice digestive healing black latte. Okay, so I didn't make a proper paste. But you can see it's black and it's delicious. Also, if you want it a bit more chocolatey, you can add in cacao powder. If you want it more matcha-y, you can add in green tea matcha powder. If you are on a strict healing diet and you don't want to use the coconut milk with rice, you can use a block of creamed coconut with some hot water and just blend it up and make it to go really, really frothy, can't say the word. This is the finished product. It's a black latte. This, my friends, is going to be the next big thing in wellness, I'm telling you. It's functional, it's delicious, it's got that sweetness from the coconut, and it's helping to clear out all the digestive toxins that may be lurking around and pull them out and excrete them so you have a nice, optimal functioning digestive system. I'm going to talk about a topic that gets a lot of airtime. No, maybe that's not the right thing to say.